Vision for Innovation. The Bachelor of Science in Entrepreneurship program at Bicol University prepares future business leaders, aligning with the UN Sustainable Development Goals. The curriculum merges business planning, startup creation, and management, aiming to grow entrepreneurs who drive sustainable economic growth. Launched in 1982, the program modeled the national curriculum under the CMO No. 17 series of 2005. The curriculum aligns with Bicol University's vision of becoming a university driven for humanity, where courses are sequenced for the step-by-step development of entrepreneurial skills, emphasizing practical and theoretical integration. Ladder 1 focuses on idea generation, product development, and comprehensive market research for business plan creation. Ladder 2 includes in-depth business plan development using structured frameworks. The last ladder focuses on business plan implementation under faculty mentorship. For graduate outcomes, 47% are full-time entrepreneurs, 39% juggle both employment and entrepreneurship, and 14% are employed but not in business. Graduates create social enterprises that empower communities and drive sustainable development. The Entrepreneurs Alumni Development Cooperative offers microfinancing, supporting graduates in launching and scaling ventures. The program showcases strategic subject placement, action-based approach to teaching and learning, and a university-wide entrepreneurial training. Beyond cultivating self-employment, the program empowers graduates to become job providers who contribute meaningfully to the economy. With a forward-looking vision, the program is dedicated to producing innovative entrepreneurs who will drive sustainable societies and shape a resilient future. With all these, Bicol University nurtures minds, empowers entrepreneurs, and builds sustainable futures.